Recording in progress.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Freedom of Speech on the Dime with your girl, Pleasure Time. Today is going to be another one of our legal sessions. Getting out of our own way of thinking, 5 everyday situations that legal services could help you with that have nothing to do with criminal matters. This is actually episode number 4. Okay, so today we're going to dive in something as simple as your new washing machine doesn't work. So, if your washing machine is defective and the seller or the manufacturer refuses to repair, replace, or refund it, a legal service membership can help you understand your consumer rights. You could receive assistance in drafting the demand letter, or if needed, have a lawyer communicate with the company on your behalf. Legal guidance here could help you resolve the issue without needing to go to court, saving you time and expenses. Okay. Moving along. Number 2, creditors threatens actions for your ex-spouse's debt. Imagine that, right? Thinking that you're done with somebody for whatever reason, whether you guys divorced or whether they passed on. Now you have creditors pursuing you for something that has nothing to do with you. Okay. This is maybe stuff that you didn't even know that your spouse had. Because plus, plenty of us are living with people we don't know we're living with. Okay. So a legal service membership can connect you with an attorney who can review the debt claims, help you understand your legal responsibility, and take appropriate steps to stop the harassment. Okay. Of course, once again, they can send letters on your behalf with formal communication to the creditors, protecting you from wrongful claims and possible ruining your debt. All right. So I'm gonna move right along. A neighbor or school reports you for child abuse. So, if you face a child abuse, well, this is already a scary situation. So, the last thing you want is to feel that you have no options. Okay. So, this situation is already stressful, whether it did or it didn't happen, it's already stressful. Okay. So, with legal services, you have access to a lawyer. You can understand the process, respond appropriately to investigate and ensure that your rights are protected. Okay. This support can be vital in demonstrating compliance, providing evidence, and ultimately clearing your name if there is if your name is on something that had nothing to do with it. A lot of times, you guys know it'd be speculation, it'd be hearsay, but in the event you are caught up in something like this, know that legal services has your back. Okay. What if you want to adopt a child? Okay. Adoption is a rewarding process, but often involves, a lot of paperwork and processes and compliances, state law, federal law, you know, no one has time for all that. Like it really can be a headache, but that's where legal services would come in at. Of course, they'll help you file your they'll go through the process with you, help you file all your paperwork, represent you if any legal challenges arise, pretty much streamline the whole adoption and give you the confidence that you need and knowing that you're in full compliance of the law. Okay. Number 5, last one, you guys. A friend or neighbor is injured on your property. Say you guys were having a birthday party, or maybe you turned up for the holiday, whatever the issue was, or the reason for the celebration, someone fell down the steps, so they got injured, and they're going to sue you, you know? And the crazy part, what if it's somebody you didn't even invite anyway? I know, even more frustrating, right? But it happens. It happens. So, someone injured on your property file a claim against you, medical expenses and other damages. This again is where legal services will come in hand. They're going to guide you through the process, help you tell you all the things that you need to know as far as liability, communications with your insurers. They're pretty much going to be your voice, okay? So they're going to help you reduce any out-of-pocket legal expenses, and it's covered. Your consultation is covered and some of the court fees as well. So you definitely want to look into a legal plan. You have everything else insured. We got renter's insurance, car insurance. Some of your models, you have hand, feet, eye insurance, like pet insurance, like all of these different types of insurance, but you never think of legal because most of us are thinking of criminal charges. Well, like I said, everything is not a criminal charge, as we've just explained five situations that didn't have anything to do with criminal charges. So if you still have questions, don't worry. We have experts waiting to answer any questions you may have. However, if you click the link in the description, it will take you to the website where you can get started. I'm sure most of your remaining questions will be answered. What are you waiting for? Let's get you started now. Don't forget to share this with a friend, as we don't always share what we're going through, and you have no idea how much this may help someone else. Thanks again. Until next time, be blessed.